Track 2.19, Unit 6, My Country. Exercise 2, A Whitewater Adventure.
If you like adventure and doing something different, a holiday whitewater rafting might be for you. Kazakhstan is a great place to try it. Whitewater rafting sounds like it's dangerous, but there are lots of rivers for every level of experience, from beginners to advanced. Even children can try it, if they're with adults. For beginners, the River Ili is a good place to start. The river is wide and flows at about 5 kilometers per hour. Rafts carry up to 10 people, and whitewater rafting organizations, like the Kazakh Rafting Federation, offer training and make sure your trip is as safe as possible. Of course, you will get wet, so you should wear a swimming costume under your clothes. Shorts and a t-shirt or tracksuit bottoms and a sweatshirt are good. And you need a life jacket and helmet, because you could fall out of the boat. But getting wet is part of the fun. Rafting is a great sport. It increases your energy and it helps exercise your upper body. The other advantages are that you often see parts of the countryside you can't visit any other way and see wildlife along the river. Once you have some experience, you might want to try more difficult rivers, such as the River Charin in the Tian Shan range of mountains, and you may want to go on a whitewater rafting expedition and sleep overnight in tents next to the river.